sitokhipha i-15 billion rand ukutraina abantu ukuthi bakwazi ukwenta imisebenzi ethile.
Zilile ngokuhlogeka kwemisebenzi izakhamuzi zenkomazi eMpumalanga uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa nakafikako wathembisa banazokuvuleka amathuba emisebenzi.
Ngilekisana mbale shotala ngomela kuTomi intwanana leyaka kuliranzo
Baba wayebezimini bona amakhetho wanonyaka abe nokuthula begodwa angathathi ihlangothi bakhalima nezenzo zokuguruzela eLimpopo neGauteng.
No, we're not ready. But it's not only, it's a process. I keep saying that it's like a pilot license. There are a certain number of hours that the referees need to go through. We need to start that training. We're ready to start training.
Siyakwamukela endabeni zesiNdebele lapha ku-SABC 1 akwande. Izakhamuzi zenkomazi eMpumalanga zithi ukuhlayela kwemisebenzi nokuvalelwa amanzi ngeminye yemhlako eziqalana nayo ngamalanga. Zitsho lokhu lokho uMengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa nabeka vakatshele endaweni le njengombana ihlangano ebusako le isejimeni lokuzibawela amavoti wamakhetho welizwe nemfunda ekulindeleke bona abanje ngomhla ka-29 inyanga le. uComfort Masombuka usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Uthe afike etatawini lakamhlushwe enkomazi uMengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa wafumana lindwe makhulukhulu ezakhamuzi bewatsho nokuthi unesiqiniseko sokuthi mbala bayoyivotela ngobunengi i-ANC abantu abaphume ngobunengi kangaka.
Well ngiyajabula impela ngizothi mangibuyela eChief Albert Luthuli House ngizobanika ireport enhle yokuthi abantu bala enkomazi bathi bazosinika 90%.
Nanyana kunjalo izakhamuzi zimthele ngomhlako eziqalana nawo ngamalanga lapha.
Sina amathuba emsebenzi masicetha kuvota kube ngiloko nje kube mnanzi ensino but lemnanzi kakhulu yangivama ya ukahle uyanakekelwa ngikuthi usesifike lana sebagajeka ngetincindi hayi akukho lo
sifuna lishintsho emphakathini wethu singabhizisi siba semuva ngasamtini basivulele amathuba emisebenzi sisebenze sendalo sikwenta ukuthi nathi siyafuna ukuthi siphumelele siphambili.
uRamaphosa uthi usizwile isililo malungana nemisebenzi
le yemisebenzi yiyo into esemqoka kakhulu la kuthina sifuna ukuthi siyakhe imisebenzi ukuthi abantwana bethu bathole imisebenzi ngobuningi babo. Lokho sidakwenta
lowatsho nokuthi babekele ngeqadi imali yokurarulula umraro loyo.
Sitokhipha i-15 billion rand ukutraina abantu ukuthi bakwazi ukwenta imisebenzi ethile. Uma ufuna ukuba electrician utawufundela lo msebenzi.
Izakhamuzi zalapha zilile nangelutshe elikhuluphela indakamizwe endaweni le. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka.
Umholi we-IFP uvele enkosini Hlabisa uqinisekise igadango lehlangano yakhe yokungabusi ngokuhlanganyela ne-ANC. Hlangano le ikhombele ilunga elikhulu lehlangano le bona lithokoza umsebenzi wokuba ngumeyara kumasipalata wemvoti ngemva kokubana lithole isikhundla sobumeyara ngokusizwa yi-ANC. Uhlabisa bekakhuluma ngejima lokuzibawela amavoti lehlangano ye-IFP bewatsho nemfiso zakhe zokubusa isifunda saKwaZulu-Natal kunye nokubamba amakhetho anokuthula.
Umholi we-IFP uvele enkosini Hlabisa uthi ihlangano li iyakhula begodwa nethemba lokuthumba isifunda saKwaZulu-Natal kunye nokufumana amavoti amaningi eGauteng.
Our target is between 1.8 million and 2 million in order to lead the KwaZulu government in order to be part of the executive in the Gauteng province and also be part of the government at a national level.
Izolekusini kususwe esikhundleni umeyara wemvoti ngemva kobana IFP ne-ANC zivote ngazwilinye evotini ongasemithimbi umeyara. Uhlabisa upha izongo batsho ukuthi inhlanganezi zingasebenzisana zibuse ngokuhlanganyela.
The mayor that was elected has been informed to submit a resignation letter because he can't do what he did without the mandate of the IFP.
Uhlabisa ukhombela abaholi benhlangano ezinye bona basiphathe kuhle ikhetho selichidela nje begodwa baqinisekisa ukuthi ikhetho hili ngelinokuthula elizweni lonke.
The political parties will have to accept that when people have spoken, their will must be respected. And I have confidence in our security in our country.
Uhlabisa uqinisekisa ukuthi iIFP akusihlangano nesifundo esisodwa kwaphela uthi bakhambele zonke imfundo zaluzweli bazibela amavoto kanti bafumene isekelo kizo zonke indawo abazikhambelako.
Hlangano yabelaphi bendabuko enarheni ezise-Afrika engesewula i-Unified Ancestors Traditional Practitioners Association ithi ukungenelela kwabezimu kuqakathekile ekuletheni ukuthula ngesikhathi samakhetho nje. Hlangano le beyinomphahlo ibetha isandla phezu kwesinye kubogogo nabobamkhulu ibawa ukuthula nokusebenzisana ngesikhathi samakhetho azobanjwa ngeveke ezako elizweni. Umphahlo ubanjwe eMabambe eduze nakwamalamlele eLimpopo.
Kunezehlakalo zokuguruzela eselezibikiwe kezinye indawo zeLimpopo neGauteng njengoba nakuseliveke inye nje ibonakiwe ekhethweni. Ngosondo kulimela abantu ababili kubalwa kibo nomntwana oneminyaka elithoba ubudala nakuza kuba nokukhitshana nokuthwalelana imphanga phakathi kwamavolontiya we-EFF newe-ANC. Abelaphi bendabuko bathi qakatheke khulu bona babawa bezimbabo bona bangenelele ukuzoqinisekisa ukuthula ngalesi sikhathi samakhetho. Bathi umhlahlandlela wabezimu uzokuqinisa nokulandelwa komthetho njengoba namaSouth Africa achinge ekhethweni nje.
We have so many political parties. They must tolerate one another. They must campaign peacefully. After election also, they must celebrate peacefully. And whoever wins, support the particular political party or particular individual.
Abelaphi bendabuko bamazwe abomakhelwana bathi ukuthula eSouth Africa ngesikhathi samakhetho qakatheke khulu emazweni angikhabo.
Sihlangana sinje namhlanje sinethi umcimbi wokukhuluma nabafo kanye sithatha umthwalo sinikeza uNkulunkulu ukuthi anika amandla amaphoyisa namakhosi amhlaba laba kuyibona abangaphambili kwama election.
The government knows that we can do it and we want this election being peaceful. That is why we've been phahla there.
Abelaphi bendabuko aba bahlabe nezenzo zokona amaphepha wemkhangiso yenhlangano ngokuzibayela amavoto.
Umvilekiseni mbale shotala ukombela kuTomi intwanana leyaka kuliranzo.
Lethulo namhlanje eSouth Africa apha ibandla lababekilihlo bamakhetho beSADC njengombana amakhetho asemnyango nje. Ibandleli lizokuphosa elihlo emakhethweni emahlelweni wamakhetho ekufaka hlangana amajima ukuzibawela amavoti ukuvotwa nokubalwa kwamavoti. Isikhulu sebandleli nogade alisekela likaMengameli weZambia uEnoch Gavindede uthi ilizwe leSouth Africa lizikhakhazisa ngokubamba amakhetho anganahlangothi.
Our observers will be deployed to all the 9 provinces of the Republic of South Africa, namely Eastern Cape, Free State, Gauteng, KwaZulu-Natal, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, Northern Cape, Northwest, and Western Cape. The COM observations will focus on the pre-election, election, and post-election periods, which includes the campaigns, the voting day, and the process of the counting of the ballot papers.
Ikomishini ezijameleko yezekhetho iIEC yethule ngokusemthethweni indawo yokuqalwa kiyo imiphumela yamavoti eGalaga Convention Center eMidrand. Isikhulu seIEC uSayima Mabulo uhlathulule indawo le njengeyokuqinisekisa bona ikhetho linokuthula begodwa lithatha ihlangothi.
Remarkable is the joyous atmosphere created by South Africans at the various missions. The patience displayed also serve to indicate their commitment to vote. This is the spirit that we need to take into elections next week. We need to be patient and create a joyous atmosphere at the voting stations, for elections are also about celebrating our common nationhood.
in these elections, the credibility of the work we do must be tested and must be experienced. We are profoundly grateful for your commitment to upholding these principles and to helping us ensure that South Africa has indeed a proud 2024 national and provincial election.
Izakhamuzi ze-Iran namhlanje ziphelele umengameli uIbrahim Raisi kunye nongqongqothe wendaba zangaphandle uHossein Amir Abdullahian kwibonisa emkhulu. Kanti ekhethwapha kube khona abantu ababamba inkonzo yokukhumbula abaholi beIran. uRaisi kunye nabelingani bakhe ngokomsebenzi babhubhe ngesikhathi isiphaphamtshini bebakhamba ngaso siphahlazeka. Abakhambile inkonzo le bathi umengameli uRaisi bekalithanda ilizwe lakhe.
Bekungathiwa wodwa abakhambeli bekonzo le nabazokuhlonipha umengameli we-Iran ongasekho ephasini uIbrahim Raisi kunye nezinye izikhulu zikahulumende we-Iran ezibhubhele engozini yokuphahlazeka kwesiphaphamtshini bebakhamba ngaso. Abanye bathi uRaisi bekamuntu othanda ilizwe le-Iran.
We must also realize that President Raisi was not a man of seat, to sit at office and give orders and tell to people what to do, and he was a man of action.
Egadi bakhambele ikonzo le bathi ukubhubha komholi we-Iran kwenzeka ngesikhathi iphasi lihlangabezana neentjhijilo ezimbalwa enarhakazini eMiddle East.
I've come here to sympathize with the Iranian people on the loss of their leadership in a tragic accident. Of course, it comes at a time when the world is in crisis.
We're shocked by the untimely death of Ayatollah Raisi and the foreign minister, Dr. Amir, more so in the context of the support that Iran has been giving to Palestinians.
Most we are here to share our sympathy and the deepest condolences to the family of the President of Iran and the delegates. But not only that, to the entire Iranians. It's a great loss, not only for Iranians, but it's a great loss as well for Muslims.
Ikonzo yomngcwabo beyibanjwe eTehran kanti ikhanjwe lezimphathimandla ze-Iran kunye namanye amazwe. Isidumbu sikaRaisi sithengiswe endaweni abelethwa wakhulula kiyo eMasham.
Nasibuya Ntolo.
Nka ikutlwa ke le betere ha ba ka tshwara batho ba ba bolaile ngwana ka ka ba bona ka matla.
Ufuna ubulungiswa umndeni weSoshanguve ngemva kokubulawa kwendodana yabo ebeyimthayelwa amateksi. Sewamngena mbukele esigabeni sesibili sendaba zaSindebele ku-SABC 1. Ngazi nazikuphundela kuyazifumana ku-YouTube, ku-Facebook naku-SABC Plus. Usomkhandlo womnyango wezombuso ohlanganyela namasiko eGauteng uMzikhumalo wethule amakhemera elusa ubulelesi CCTV eSmall Street eJohannesburg. Isithabathaba sentolwesi sele siphenduke idzaba lobulelesi obufaka hlangana ukudlelezelwa ukhonjwe ngomukhwa nokungalandelwa komthetho. Ekubangela abantu bona bakhambele kude nendawo le. Kodwa njenganje uhulumende wesifunda usebenzisa itechnology efana namakhemera elusa ubulelesi, ama-drones kunye nengunuphe ozigandelela lokho nawusengozini ama-panic buttons ulisana nobulelesi.
Alchum nahlana amakhemera elusa ubulelesi CCTV asanda ukufakwa eSmall Street eJohannesburg ekuyindawo elidzaba lokukhuthuza nokudlelezela. Selalikhulu namachuma amahlanu amakhemera we-technology esezingeni eliphezulu afakwe esifundeni seGauteng solo kwangosihlabantangana nyakenye. Emzameni kahulumende weGauteng wokulisana nobulelesi, amakhemera elusa ubulelesi la afakwe endaweni ezihagalelwe ubulelesi emalokishini kunye nemhlahlanyeni eminyene ekhulu.
The Small Street is not the Small Street of the yesteryears that we know. And as part of those interventions, we want to bring it back to the Small Street that that we used to, that many of us here would know what Small Street was like.
Uhulumende wesifunda seGauteng uthoba ukusebenzisana nekampani ezijameleko iVuma Cam ngomhlolanja umnyaka lo ekuligadange elinikela isifundo esimvumo yokusebenzisa ama-cameras inkulungwane ezisithandathu kanabo kade belusa ubulelesi nebomthetho bagade indawo ezi balindeleke bona basebenzise wona ama-camera la ukulisana nobulelesi.
If a private security company is the closest, they would then respond at that time. But if Gauteng Traffic Warden is closest or SAPS, the one who is closest, you'll find sometimes you can get as little as 3 minutes.
Ezinye zezakhamuzi Gauteng ziwamukela ama-camera la kodwana nanyana njalo zithi ichuguluke ngilo lithome lokho nakubekwa bokade belusa ubulelesi.
When they are warned there's a CCTV camera footage that might be caught on camera, they kind of, get scarce.
Izakhamuzi zikholelwa ekutheni ukuvuleka kwamathuba womsebenzi ngikho kuzokusiza ekulisaneni nezinga eliphezulu lobulelesi.
Indaba eqeda ukuphela le ngiye sibuze ngayo ekhasini lethu leFacebook. Asiqala umbono wakho Mbukeli.
Njalo ngiyatsho bona ubulelesi buzokwehla khulu ingasi kancane.
Mara ama-camera la faneke nakafakwako afakwe abe phezulu khulu njengama-Apollo. Umuntu angeke akhona ukuyifikelela nangelitshe.
Hayi mina ngabona ama-camera enza umehluko omkhulu. Ngoba namanje endaweni eziningi akhona ama-camera kodwa njena akukho bantu ababoshwayo.
Ukufakwa kwe-cameras ezilokishini iza kunceda kakhulu amapolisa akwazi ukusebenza kakuhle bakwazi ukubanjwa abantu abophula umthetho ngoba i-cameras zizawubaveza.
Ndicinga yakuthoba ukuzinga bolaphula umthetho kwindawo yaseJohannesburg yangaba ngayifakelana lapha eCape Town.
Bazothi ukwethuko kwesikhashana otsotse lapha eJohannesburg kodwa ubugebengu bona ngeke buze kuphela.
Edolobheni kunenkinga yokuthi banokubamba inkunzi emini manje lento lena ingasiza kakhulu awafaka ama-camera futhi engaze ekapakele even emalokishini mhlawumbe lokho kungasiza kakhulu kungamnqanda ubugebengu eSouth Africa.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthosa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Omunye umndeni weSoshanguve ehlagwini yePitori kuba amapholisa bona ubasize bathole ubulungiswa nokuthula. Umndeni lo uthi indoda nawo ekukuphela kwayo idunyuzo yabulawa zinlelesi.
Sebuhlungwini godu ngemva kokudunyuzwa komtshayeli weteksi oneminyaka ema-33 ubudala uJack Rametsi odunyuzwe isichema senilelesi zabaleka neteksi yakhe. uRametsi ubulawa nje bekunguye ondla kwekhaya ondla umntazinyana akho neminyaka ebunane ubudala ababelethi bakhe kunye nabodadewabo abane.
His death has really affected us very much because he was everything to us. We were depending on him. We were looking forward to big things from him. I'm calling for justice, and then I'm calling for help from the SAPS. In short, maybe if they can be more active, maybe this crime will end.
Ababelethi bakaRametsi babetheke khulu ngesehlakalo sokubulawa komntwana nabo bafuna ubulungiswa.
Ngikutlwa ke le betere ha ba ka tshwara batho ba ba bolaile ngwana ka ba bona ka matla ka ba ne ba tshwariwa ba punishiwa ngakhotsofala.
uJack Rametsi kunye nomlingani wakhe ngokomsebenzi badunyuzwe endleleni le ER80 siqhema sabadlelezeli nasibasahlelako ngazinlelesi sizenze ngathi sibakhweli naziza kusahlela abakhweli bezadumuza naloyo bekasebenza noRametsi. uRametsi ubhubhele esibhedlela ngonobangela wamanxeba wokudunyuzwa kanungcwatshe inyanga epheleleko. Nakusenjalo ikoro yezamateksi ithi isehlakalo lesishiya abakhweli bamateksi abaningi bathwenyekile ngokuphepha kwabo.
Because these people come from wherever they are coming, and when they reach R80 they start to act now. So we want to stop and search. Most of these people who are doing this, they are not speaking South African language. So we don't know what must we do when people are speaking their own language in our own country. We felt threatened by them. Unfortunately, we cannot allow that to happen to our taxis.
Abosomateksi bakhonile ukuthola inlelesi ezine babachingisa emapholiseni kanti kuthiwa esinye isilelesi busabhudulwana naso.
Nasiphosa ilihlo kezemali, iranda lehleli nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Akwande sibu, ngazi thina ngapha besiraga ngendaba zokuphathela amakhetho anokuthula. Alo, nina niphethe ziphi?
Siyathokoza Thandeka silotshisa umbukelo khona usekhaya. Mbala kusele amalanga alikhomba ukuthi kubanjwe amakhetho enarheni yeSouth Africa. Ikomishana ezijameleko yamakhetho bekade yethula indawo la yokufikela khona imiphumela emidrand eThagweni yeJohannesburg. Sonke ke sokutsheja ke ukuthi esifundeni seMpumalanga bona ababhinqe kangangani. Nangakukhumbula ngomvulo nangoLwesibili kuyobanjwa amakhetho akhethekileko ama-special vote. Sizokuzwa ukuthi ngakulelo hlangothi bazilungiselele njani nomlaleli lokuthola ithuba lokuthi angabuza nanyana yini ephathelene namakhetho la azokubanjwa ngeveke ezako. Yiyo ke indaba esiyiphethe khulu namhlanje. Sithokoza khulu kwamambala.
Sithokoza sibu. Njenganje asitsheje ubujamo bezulu nobusayi Mathebula. Sithokozile Thandeka lotshani imbukeli ekhaya ngelesithathu ntambama. Napuke ubujamo bakho bezulu bonakala inkomba zomoya maphakathi nenarha yeSouth Africa kanti ke livulile ukulapha egwini elingeSouth ukuchinga eMpumalanga nenarha la sibona khona ligubuzese ngamafu kusasa namathutshana wezulu egwini elingeSouth nge60% na ungenelelako ngapha atholakala nge30% naku bonakala ikungu ekhasako endaweni zangale ngeMpumalanga neMpumalanga Kapa bese nangale ngeJingalanga abantu batsheje bayelele kuseni nabachayela kusizokusuduka ukwazi ukuthi ubone amazinga wokuchisa ifuthumele Pitori ipholile nge23 angisho njalo bese lapha eFernach ngokulapho kufuthumele khona neCarltonville nge24 eSprings sibona kupholile neBroncosspruit nge22 siyocala lapha ke isifunda sangalengela Limpopo sona ke sibonakala sipholile ephulukwane kuthi ke ezinye indawo zonke zifuthumele eMusina nge27 sifunda sangaleke ngeMpumalanga iCarolina ipholile nge22 eMelo nge21 kumakhaza nokho ekseni emalahleni kupholile nge20 boMiddelburg nge26 khona ke kufuthumele lapha esifundeni saKwaZulu Natal sibona iRichards Bay ifuthumele nge28 Ulundi nge28 nayo kuthi lapha ke eKokstad nge27 noma kuzakuvuka kiseni kumakhaza eMpumalanga Kapa endaweni eziningi zibonakala zifuthumele nazo kulapha ke kwaNojoli lapho sibona khona ke ukuthi kupholile nge23 lapha ke eJingalanga Kapa sibona indawo eziningi zithi ukuphola khudlwana ke lapha eRiversdale ngakumakhazana ke nge17 nangemva kwaMadina siyalapha ke eNorthern Cape sokubona ukuthi khona kunjani Sutherland ngemva kwaMadina i19 ekseni kuzakuvuka kumakhaza ke nge3 ekseni bese ke lapha eFreystata kuyabonakala ukuthi nakhona kufuthumele endaweni eziningi noma kuthome amakhaza ekseni abantu bazakutsheja bayeleleke ngathi liyakokoda ikhaza sakubonana kuthi ngesikhathi esilandelayo. Dido